Hello everybody. Well, today we're going to be working on getting some insulation into the bus. We did spend a few hours yesterday working on some of it, and right now Fritz is in there just grinding off some leftover rivets and stuff from the gutting process, getting rid of some sharp things. And sooner or later he'll be quiet. So the project today is we're going to be working on insulating the bus, and we did get a head start on it yesterday. We did this foil backed insulation. It's 1.5 inches thick. The walls are 1.5 inches. The ceiling we can get away with this pink foam board, and we're going to 4-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, and then go all the way across. I've got some construction adhesive. Right now it's going to be, those are just in there pressure fit, but put some construction adhesive on it just to give it a little extra holding power. So that's today's project. I'm not sure how far we're going to get, but we'll see. Let me show you what the material is. This is the foam board we used on the walls. We put the aluminum foil side out, and we bought 4 panels and got 5 feet left of one of them, but we'll be able to use that in some of the smaller spots. This is an R value about 6, and this stuff is 2-inch on the ceiling, and it's an R value of 10. So part of the reason we're using this is Erin got a good deal on it, and I just got to cut it up. They're all this size by transport, and she had to do with this. So I'm going to cut up a lot of it into 26.5-inch wide, and then we'll do a lot of 4-inch and 6-inch pieces and go from there. See how much of ceiling we got. We do have quite a pile, and I think we might have more than enough to do that. So let's see how this goes. So the whole idea of what I'm doing is windows, or the ceilings are 26.5. So, and on the curve at the bottom, if we do 4-inch blocks, we can do 2 of those, and we're sort of following the curve. So by scoring it with the knife, it's about about 1 inch deep, or whatever, close to it in this, and then set this along the edge, because you can just snap off pieces. So I'm just making a mess of these, and we get in there and away we go. So all those pieces we just cut, 4-inch wide strips and 6-inch wide strips, are going to get glued up in here. And basically we've got them all staged out here down both sides of the bus, so we can just butter them up with adhesive and slam them into place and move on to cutting the next pieces. That doesn't even have to be. And then another one. There. Somewhere in the middle.
That smells good.
It does.
Maybe the best thing is going to be is one person, 2 people working on getting the glue on, and the other person installing.
What do you want? Just tell me.
I got the wire up and behind here, so.
Okay, good.
There's no way she could keep up with gluing for 2 people.
Oh, so you want 2 people gluing, not one, okay.
Well, no, I was thinking one person just grabbing the next piece, holding it. So somebody grab it. Please do that. Glue it up.
Glue this right to his back.
Glues him to his knees.
Well, it's the end of the second day of doing insulation, and got this far. Tomorrow we'll start doing the big pieces and see if we can get it all the way all insulated and start putting up the furring strips for the ceiling. Hi, welcome back to day 2.5. Still cutting pink foam, and we've been working on it in the morning. You already saw how we're doing it, but filling up the gaps, and we get to the point now where we're about to do the center, and that's going to be fun. But we get a little tighter fit so we don't have to do the tape, and actually we're even not doing the glue. All right, other than the end caps and piecing it around the escape hatches, although we're going to put some reinforcing up there, we've pretty much got the ceiling done. We got to fit in some small pieces. We got a lot of scrap, but pretty much everything we did today is pressure fit, and this is the last piece, and we're gonna a little bit of trimming, we'll get that in. So taking a day off tomorrow, the next step for the interior is going to be rip some 2x4s into 1x stock and put them as furring strips down here so we can attach the one that we're using for a ceiling and keep on going. We gotta start pulling out windows. We've already got a few. We pulled out the escape windows, on a couple of these. We got some to swap around. We're going to pull them out, reseal them, put the ones back in, figure out what we need for metal, and seal up the ones that are behind pantries and closets and all that. Well, that's down the line. Enough work for one day, well, or 2 days, and see you later.